What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
I'm Daddy's son.
Kick Talk.
And today we're kick talking about
a pair that we've been waiting to get. I've been looking forward to them. The Eminem, the Nike Air Jordan 4 black canvas. What, man?
where'd the Eminem come from?
You'll find out. But Nigel, before we get into these shoes, man, what should they do? It was their first time here.
Since we're about to do something related to Eminem, I'm gonna give y'all something special today. Y'all need to get that notification bell ringing so we can get to singing and singing and dinging, and then we gonna get to singing, and then you gonna ring the bell, and then I'm gonna feel swell. But then wait, I gotta do the Eminem voice.
Oh boy.
You need to ring that notification bell, cause then we can get feeling well, and then we'll be swelled. And then once you get that bell ringing, then we can get to singing and drinking, and then we'll get to winging on the flight to Air Jordan 4, and then we'll open some doors, and then we'll go to sleep, take some stores.
Enough. That's great. Yeah.
All right.
That's good, man. That was a little Nigel Eminem rendition.
All right, now you can continue.
Palms are sweaty, feet, neck, arms are heavy.
That's an awfully hot coffee pot.
The shoe. Let's get into the shoe.
Yeah.
All right. The Air Jordan 4 black canvas. We're just going to get right into the shoe, man. This is one that people were sleeping on. I think people weren't really realizing how in demand this shoe was going to be. First, just a real quick, here's the shoe, but the box, they definitely gave us the Zen Master Amethyst Wave box. I have that shoe, it's the exact same box.
Yeah.
The innards, the outer, everything, right?
Why?
I don't know. That's just how they roll with it. But boxes aside, the shoe itself is fire.
This is fire.
I mean, it's a all canvas, all black and gray. But I will say this. It's not all black like, the black cats.
Black cats. That's what I was about to say. I was thinking like, these look like black cats except with like some other colors in them.
It's kind of like a mix between a black cat and like the reds, like the cement fours, like the gray. It's just missing the red that you get the splashes of on the cement.
You get a little bit right here.
You
a little bit.
You do get it on the bottom. You do. But I will say this, talking about the release of this shoe. So sneakers were supposed to drop on the certain day, right? So as of this recording, this shoe hasn't dropped those sneakers yet. Sneakers were supposed to drop in like 10 minutes before 10 o'clock on Saturday. It just got pushed. The date just changed. The shoe was not there. It was like, nope, we're pushing it to like the Wednesday after.
10 minutes before it was supposed to drop?
Like literally at like 9:50, I'm ready to enter and put my entry in my drawer of the sneakers, and it was gone. So, but I've heard like late shipments and all kinds of stuff been going on with the shoes. But it was a tough one for me because I had exclusive access on Finish Line, JD Sports. And the thing is, the app, man, I don't know what it is, but I don't know if other people been getting this. Have y'all been getting this too? Like the app glitches like crazy.
For real.
They tell you, go there, check for exclusive access. If you got it, boom, you can reserve it, or they even had like the ship to me option where you can go there and pay for it and pre-order it. Both times. The app crashed like 10 times. By the time it finally stopped crashing, I get in, my size is gone. So I went in and I said, well, let me reserve a smaller size. Maybe somebody can pick it and get it. So I got an 8. I was like, somebody will want the shoe. Yeah. And this is actually reserved for one of my homies, his girl. So
nice.
Shout out to my boy Connor.
It's cool that he was
You're welcome.
Dumbass.
Hey, man, and like I've told somebody before, it's like I'm trying to increase my sneaker karma. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
You hook somebody up, then it comes back full circle.
So now maybe the apps will actually like you.
Bless me on like a shoe that I really, really want, right? Something greater than this one. But I still do really want this one, though.
This is hard, I can't lie.
You like it?
Yeah, this is tough.
How you think this compares to the black cat?
The black cat is undeniably like just up there.
Is it?
The black cat.
I just don't.
What you mean? Is it?
It's a great shoe. It's a dope shoe, but I just don't feel like the price somehow. Like it came out initially regular. It was not overhyped. It's kind of sat, in places, and then all of a sudden it became this whole thing. It's because it's an all black 4.
It's because people started wearing just all black fits more.
Is that what it is?
Now the all black fit is the trend now.
Yeah.
So everybody's trying to get the black cats. And that's what I'm trying to. They're actually like a grail at this point for real.
Really? That's how you hold them in that kind of high esteem.
I really do.
Jeez. Okay.
But this,
I
would say, I can't say it compares to the black cats because the black cats just look so they look shiny.
Yeah, they do have.
They have like a little bit of a shine.
It's like nubuck, but then there is like a sheen or something to them.
But these are nice. But there's other colors in them, which doesn't make it so like cool. But they're tough, so I can't lie.
I love these personally, and the reason I said Eminem 4s is because these like look so much like those Eminem Carhartt 4s that came out. So the Eminem 4s, there was a collab with Eminem, Carhartt, and Air Jordan, but it literally looks basically just like this. I think there's like a little more shiny metallic finish on like where the gray rubber is on the eye stays. It doesn't have suede around the mud guard, I don't think. But it's still, the shoe itself is canvas. I mean, this is obviously the canvas black 4. The Eminem Carhartt has that Carhartt material, right? Which is the canvas, like the material. Like
is it Carhartt denim?
It's like a denim canvas, but it's like, you know, like the workwear clothes. So that thick canvasy stuff. Yeah. And that's what Nike does a lot. So they'll do like a huge collab, you know, some friends and family special shoe. And, you know, only a couple people got them. They, you know, they'll resell them for thousands, like the Travis Scott, you know, the purple friends and family 4s that they did for him. Nobody's seen those, but then they give you for the general release, you know, like the Canyon Purple, which is like that purple suede.
It's like it looks the same.
Similar, yeah. It's like it's slightly, you know, similar, different takeoff, but you know, it's like kind of close.
So here's what I'm plotting.
Yeah.
Do you think that if you put these on your feet and walked out the house, some Eminem fan might pull up on you like, yo, you got the Eminem Jordan 4s?
They might, if they don't know, they don't see. The Eminem has the E on the back, right?
Oh,
this one has the Jumpman.
Never mind.
Yeah, I mean, but it's like black on black, so it's not like it stands out that much unless
you're
black.
But the Jumpman is gray.
Yeah, true. So this would stand out.
So there's a small, that's a little different, but
variations.
If somebody's coming up at you from the side,
right? They might not know.
They might not know, right?
If they didn't know that the black canvas was dropped.
True.
But
an Eminem fan might not know too much about sneakers. They just might be an Eminem fan.
They might just know that there's a black Eminem Jordan 4 because Eminem is their guy. Maybe. All right, enough talking. Let's break down this shoe, man. I mean, I really do dig it. Like I said, you've got the black wings, the black canvas all over the shoe.
Yeah.
And, you know, you got your gray around that midsole, outsole.
You got your black suede mud guard.
Yeah, good job.
Yeah, you see that terminology.
Mud guard. That's it. And, you know, the toe box of the shoe is nice. It's got a, you know, that nice toe box curvature in the front there.
Yes, that's what I was thinking.
The cage and all on the side. You got your black rubber and up along the tongue. You got the flight on the tongue.
Yep.
Jumpman.
And you got your classic upside down Air Jordan.
Yeah, you do have that
right here
on the back of the tongue. Good job.
Thank you.
Yeah. And again, like you said, the Jumpman on the back. It'd been nice if they would have gave us a little Nike Air on the back, but
yeah,
I know that's, you know, that's reserved for certain ones, and this is not one. So
it's okay. It's still nice.
Yeah, but I love this shoe, man. I mean, you got your air bubble, of course. Air bubble's nice and clean.
And on the bottom here, you got some hints of red.
Yeah.
You got your red Air Jordan Jumpman and your red
Classic 4
centerpiece. What's this? Is there like a certain name for this piece right here?
No,
just center of the bottom.
The center of the bottom.
Yeah.
This is where you're planting that foot, where you
right.
know, that 4 foot
right there.
piece there. Exactly. And then the herringbone in the traction, as we call that. The herringbone traction pattern.
That's the V's?
Yeah. It's like a herringbone chain.
What's a herringbone chain?
Like a gold herringbone chain. Not familiar with that?
It's just V's like that?
Yeah. It's like
I know Cubans.
Never mind.
Figaro,
yeah.
And that's like it.
Herringbone is like the flat. You see, like people wear like just the flat chain.
Oh, yeah. I don't even like those.
Yeah, that was a thing back in like the 90s, 2000s. People were wearing like the big herringbone chains. I think I had one like in high school, maybe.
You had a chain?
I had a chain at a point that I bought myself.
What?
But you wanted a chain, and we said no. You were like in 7th grade talking about, can I have a chain?
I know.
I had a chain in like 11th, 12th
I had that.
grade.
I really had the David Buster's clutch. David Buster's really came through with the claw machine. Remember I had that little David Buster's chain?
I do.
That joint was like, it was tough. I was rocking it. But then one day, I think this kid like pulled it or something and it just broke. But honestly, I'm happy they did that because that thing really would have, my neck would be like purple right now.
Yeah, you'd be like discolored from your David Buster's jewelry. Sorry, buddy.
That's okay. One day, have the real thing.
That's right.
You feel me?
That's right. Oh boy. All right, rating. Black Canvas 4.
Rating.
Right now. 3.
I can't think about it.
No,
okay.
Go ahead.
No, I got you. 8.2.
8.2. you know, I love fours. I don't know if you're new to the channel, go back and see some of our videos. I have a good amount of fours. Fours is my favorite Jordan silhouette in general.
Low-key same.
Followed by threes. Same?
Low-key.
Fours?
I low-key love the fours now.
I love it.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Fours, ones, and
I love ones, of course.
it might be fives, not threes.
You like fives.
It might be fives.
Like your moonlights, the black ones.
Yeah, ones, fours, and fives.
Yeah, I love sixes too. And threes.
Sixes are tough.
Yeah. Anyway, enough about
Rates.
that. Fours, love them. This one I would definitely give it. I like the canvas. I got canvas on my patchwork threes. I like this canvas that they're giving us. Something different. 9.
9.
Yeah.
Wowzers.
I mean, it wasn't just to me. I always go to what's not to like.
Yeah. True.
You know, it's
True.
black, but I feel like the black is broken up though with the gray. So it's not just an all black shoe. And like I said, I mean, I like the black cats, but I don't love them like the masses are like drawn to them so much. Like, oh, black cat fours.
I'm sorry.
It's just all black shoe.
It's fire. So you would rate the black cats lower than these?
I mean, I guess I'd give it probably like an 8.5. I would.
The black cats?
Yeah.
Wow.
And
I'm
I would-
low-key. I'm gonna give these an 8.5. I raised my score from 8.2 to a 5.
Okay.
But the black cats are still a 10.
I like the gray. The 10 and 4s for me is like the breads and, you know, the white cements. Those are 10s, bar none. The OGs, the original 4s. And then these, you know, they write it in because they're following that same kind of color line. But what y'all think about them? Did you get a pair? I know people have been talking a lot about pairs getting backdoored, getting eaten up by store employees. Yeah, backdoored means outlets, stores get shoes, and you work at Foot Locker, right? Shoes come in, they're not reserved yet or whatever. Instead of putting them out on the floor, selling them to the people, you call your buddies up. Oh, come get these. So basically, in essence, the back door is wide open.
Yeah.
And that's happening a lot with a lot of shoes and a lot of stuff we can't get our hands on. A lot of places do raffles online, but like nobody ever wins. It's like, who's winning these raffles? Because I know I've entered tons for certain boutiques.
Yo, bro, I just entered this raffle, so get me right for me.
Yeah, exactly. Come on up. Come grab them. So, you know, but I hope things change. And really, like 4s right now, like the new dunks. Like 1s have been sitting more, you know, and, like a lot of Jordans. The 6s, Georgetown 6s just came out, been sitting. Some of these others, but 4s, because I think like the resale market, their price has still kind of been good.
On the 4s.
Yeah, so people sucking them up to resell them. So that keeps the inventory getting snatched up, you know, from those that want it. So hopefully that opens up a little bit, man, and we can get more pairs in our hands. I just want sneakers because I love them.
We know.
I don't want to resell them. I just want a pair for myself and for you too. For you too, and your mom and your sister. But for those that love them, we just want shoes. Anyway, enough of my spiel, my venting. Let me know if y'all feel the same.
Yeah.
What y'all think about the state of sneakers right now. And, you know, chime on in about what you think about these shoes. Hit me on Instagram at RealDaddyC. We will see you on the next one. Peace.